While fighting a war with Iran, Israel's fear was that Iran would surrender very soon. But Iran is still standing firm and is preparing for many more weeks to come. But the Israeli might is now being buried in the ground instead of sitting. Because Israel has to spend a huge amount of money like this to counter an Iranian missile. And it have to do this hundreds of times a day. As a result of which a greater burden has fallen on the Israeli economy since then. News has emerged that Israel is using this weapon to stop Iran's attacks. Using a defense system on 4-power. This defense system is available on Arrow 1, Arrow 2, Arrow 3, and Iron Dome, which even has the capability to stop the missiles coming from space. But despite this, Iranian missiles are hitting their targets at Israeli-occupied sites and locks. What is the cost of these missiles, and what is the cost of the anti-missile-fired gunshots to stop them? By watching them and observing their mutual comparison, you will be able to guess who will win this battle first. The F-16 Scopa missile that was fired from Iran cost $30,000, in which Iran gives the name of Shahed 136 missile. While it is banned for Israel, the maze rail it is using is called M9X maze rail, whose worth is $700,000. And Israel has to spend $200 million to maintain its defense system based on to keep counting it. So far, during the one-week war, both Israeli civilians and their allies have begun to tighten their grip. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. True victory lies not just in battles won, but in achieving objectives with minimal conflict. All warfare is based on deception.